Hello student, Namaskar. Friends, in this today's experiment, we are going to perform one simple experiment of Science and Technology Part 1 for SSC Board Practical Examination. The aim of today's experiment is to identify chloride, bromide and iodide ions from given salt solution. In this video, we are going to learn about how to perform this experiment and how to note down our observation in tabular form, so we can obtain a full marks. Science with Shinde sir, Science and Technology Part 1, Practical Examination SSC Board, Practical number 1. Aim of the experiment is to identify the chloride, bromide and iodide ion from the given salt solution. Apparatus for this experiment is test tube, stand, and the chemicals we are going to use are silver nitrate, solution of potassium chloride, potassium bromide and potassium iodides. Friends, here we have this stand, test tube stand, and we are going to use these three test tubes: test tube A, test tube B and test tube C. For this experiment, chemicals we are going to use, that is potassium chlorides. This solution we are taken in this dropper bottles, that is a potassium chloride KCl. Then second salt solution is potassium bromides. Here in this bottle we take some solution of potassium bromide for our experiment. And third salt solution is potassium iodides. This is potassium iodide solution. To identify radical of this salt solution, we are going to use this silver nitrate solution. Now take first test tube, that is a test tube A. Take 5 ml of potassium chloride solution in test tube A. Take potassium chloride in test tube A. 5 ml of potassium chloride solution in test tube A. 5 ml of potassium bromide solution in test tube B, means test tube B contain 5 ml of potassium bromide, and then 5 ml of approximately 5 ml of potassium iodide solution in test tube C. Thus, test tube A contain 5 ml of potassium chloride solution, test tube B contain 5 ml of potassium bromide solution, and test tube C contain 5 ml of potassium iodide solution. Now add 5 ml of silver nitrate solution in test tube first in test tube A and observe what color precipitate is formed. See, we obtain a white precipitate in test tube A. Test tube A contain potassium chloride solution. After adding silver nitrate solution in potassium chloride, we obtain white precipitate. Now note down this observation. The color of precipitate is white. The reaction take place in this test tube is when silver nitrate get react with potassium chloride, we obtain potassium nitrate plus a white precipitate of silver chloride. This precipitate indicate the chloride ion present in potassium chloride solution, that is a given solution which is in test tube A. Now in test tube B, add silver nitrate solution of 5 ml and observe the color of precipitate formed in the test tube. See, we obtain pale yellow color of precipitate, means color of precipitate obtained is pale yellow. This indicates that bromide ion is present in the given solution. Now, what reaction take place when potassium bromide get react with silver nitrate? We obtain potassium nitrate aqueous solution and silver bromide precipitate which have pale yellow color precipitate. It indicate bromide ion present in the solution given in test tube B. Friends, now repeat this same procedure for this third solution, that is solution in test tube C. Add again 5 ml of silver nitrate solution in test tube C. See, observe the precipitate form is bright yellow. It is bright yellow. Now, note down this observation in our table in answer sheet. The color of precipitate is bright yellow. The reaction of silver nitrate with the solution present in C test tube, that is a potassium iodide, is we obtain potassium nitrate and precipitate of silver iodide is formed. The color of this precipitate of silver iodide is bright yellow, and this bright yellow precipitate indicate that iodide ion is present in the solution given in test tube C. Now, from this observation, student, we conclude that test tube A contain chloride ion which show white precipitate. Test tube B contain bromide ion which show pale yellow precipitate, and the solution contained in test tube C contain iodide ion which show bright yellow precipitate. Student, ions are precipitated in all three reactions in this experiment. This is our observation and conclusion. Elements in the halogen family belong to 17 group in modern periodic table show similarity in their properties. This family is also known as a halogen families. Student, I hope you understood this experiment very well. Thanks very much.